So this weekend is an extended weekend, and we are back at Camper's Paradise in Siegel, Pennsylvania. We're going to go see what kind of things we can find around the area. So we got in late last night to our campsite here in western Pennsylvania, and this morning we're getting everything set up in our campsite. In one of my other videos, I said something about carrying two 20-foot water hoses. This is why. That's the end of my first water hose, and that is where the water is. In that same video, I also talked about the power cords. This is my power cord, and that's where it ended. There's the power post. So today we ventured off to a little town called Benezet, Pennsylvania. We are at the Elk Visitor Center. This is a big place for elk in Pennsylvania. Toasting my bread for lunch. This is an old school toast maker. Lunch is served. Ham salad on toasted bread and macaroni salad. So today's a new day. We're headed out on another adventure. We got to see some elk and hear them last night. So today we are headed to the Kinzua Bridge and State Park. So we got back to the campground, decided to cook some dinner. So we got the new flat top grill out that we got, tried it out with some fried sandwiches. Did a pretty good job on them. So dinner's done, everything's cleaned up, put away. So now it's time to sit, enjoy a campfire, and relax. So the gray tank's a little full. So we're gonna run a little bit of water out into the 11-gallon tote tank. Take it up and get rid of it. So today is Saturday and yet another adventure. Today we venture off to Titusville, Pennsylvania, and we are going to ride the Titusville and Oil Creek Scenic Railroad. So after the train ride, we decided to slip down here to the Drake Well Museum and Park and look at some of the stuff down here.
Which part of what?
So that ends our day in Titusville. We're going to head back over to the campground. We did do the train ride and the Drake Well Museum. So now it's time for dinner or campfire and some relaxation. Well, our time here in the Cook Forest has come to an end. We've had excellent weather every day, except for today. It's starting to rain again. So we're going to head back to Ohio and get ready for the next adventure. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.